Welcome everyone to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of F1 Mobile, in which you can get free unlimited gems and coins and a free store mod. And guess what? This modded version is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, and that means you can play this modded version on any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. And that's amazing and pretty insane. Now, what is this modded version? What does it do? And that's the question that is going to come in your mind as of this moment. And let me tell you that if you had the normal version of F1 Mobile and you wanted to purchase gems and coins, you'd definitely go to the store and sort of like pay real money to purchase them if you needed them badly. However, if you go to the store of this modded version F1 Mobile Plus, what you notice is that all the different packages of gems and coins will be costing you $0, and that means you don't have to pay a single penny. And since you don't have to pay a single penny to purchase any of these packages, the moment you click on a particular package, that specific amount being offered by that particular package will be transferred to your personal funds, or personal gold and gems, coins or gems. And let me tell you that the bonuses are also working over here, and that means every time you purchase, you also get the bonus amount associated with that particular package. And so, for example, if I click on a package and that amount is, let's say, in this example it is 14,000 coins plus 9,500 bonus will be added to my personal coins, and that will be a total of 23,000 to 23,500. And there you go. I'm just purchasing another package, and as you can see, it's increasing. And there is no certain cooldown of how much time I have to wait before redeeming another, I would say, bunch of coins or gems. And there's no threshold of how many amounts of gold and gems I can purchase. It is entirely infinite. I'm repeating the word gold, although I want to say coins. Anyways, it's cool. I know you guys understand that, and there's no problem in saying gold, because basically the coins are made out of gold, and so we can call it gold as well. But anyways, let's be specific and game-oriented. It is coins and not gold, and I'm just catching you guys off guard. And the main thing is, you can just go on to purchase as many gold coins, as many gold coins and gems as you want, without worrying about running out of coins and gems at any point of the game, which makes this modded version a great one. If you're a newcomer, this is going to be a head start for you, because you can easily access all those costly stuff at the start of the game and make your gameplay much more strengthier at the start. However, if you're a new player, if you're like a returning player, this is going to be something that is going to offer you a lot of entertainment. You can purchase all those things and use them to their full potential, and uncover the beauty of this game and the entertainment this game has to offer. So it's amazing, and don't worry about that. And what would you even worry about if I'm saying don't worry about that? Anyways, let's move on. And what I'll be doing in this video is I'll be deleting this game from my phone halfway through the video, and then after that we'll be going through the entire downloading process together. And what that would benefit you guys is basically, what benefit would you guys get from that is basically that you guys will be able to understand the entire process crystal clear and transparently, and you guys wouldn't have to sort of like worry about what the process is. For example, if I explain the process verbally, it's going to be much more perplexing, but if I show you the process and if I walk you through the steps individually and comprehensively, then everything is going to be pretty simple and easy. So as you can see, I have like about 239,000 coins right now, whereas I started off with pretty less. I started off with like, I guess, 124,000, something like that. So this is the F1 Mobile Plus, and as promised, I'll be deleting it right now from my phone, and then we can move on to the entire downloading process together. So there we go, boom. Now step number one is basically, not step number one, go to your settings first, and then step number one is basically go to your general settings and go to your background app refresh and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. This is step number one, which is only for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, skip to step number two, because there is no background app refresh in Android devices. Once this is done, move on to step number two, and that is go down to your browser settings and make sure go to the privacy and security section and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. Otherwise, your downloading process will once again be affected. This is step number two, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And step number three is again for both Android and iOS devices, and that is go to your battery settings and make sure all power saving mods have been turned off. So this is the bottom line of these three steps you have to do, and 2 for Android, 3 for iOS. After that, open your browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked, and in my case it's a Safari, it can be any other browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or etc. In the search engine bar, type this in carefully and correctly, appbox.live. So once you've typed this in carefully and correctly, appbox.live, click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, along with their respective statuses, and this list is pretty extensive and long, and you might get lost due to its length. Due to the length and I would say, not extensive, say like the coverage of the list. Here's the F1 Mobile++, start the injection process by clicking there. And remember, there is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I have fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few seconds in most cases. Yet in some cases it may take up to a minute or two. But that's cool, don't worry about that. After that, this is the last step you have to do over here is basically go to the next screen by clicking there, and you have to basically complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all these instructions, I have to complete 2, and definitely I'll be completing 2 easiest of all the instructions. And my first one is going to be, the free prints. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. Now, these apps are downloaded from the official stores, so they are 100% safe to use. And although they've instructed me to run it for 30 seconds, I will run it for 42 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short, and rightfully so. I've completed my instruction number 1, and now I'll be moving on to my instruction number 2 by closing this one. So, there we go. Instruction number 2 is going to be PointsBet Sportsbook. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds again, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds once again to be on the safe side. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete this extra app to optimize your storage. And once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your game will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here from me, these few simple steps underneath the home icon. It's the F1 Mobile++. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool game, app, or modded version. Until then, take care of one another, and bye.